Does your blue pill look dead? Don't waste your money like I did. What's up guys, Rafa Murat here, and today I'll show you how to bring this board back to life. Before I proceed, one important thing. Some blue pill boards come with wrong hardware. In this schematic, for example, R10 is 4.7K, and that's wrong. It makes the communication unstable. Here, for example, is even worse, as R10 is 10K, which brings a very low current and a lot of communication issues will happen for sure. This is the correct schematic. R10 must be 1.5K. So, if your blue pill has the wrong resistor, keep in mind the first thing you need to do is to replace R10 with the correct value. Connect to BluePill via ST-Link and open the ST-Link utility. The error will show up again. Now press reset and at the same time click connect to target. This way you'll be able to connect. Next, we need to erase whatever junk is inside the flash memory. Do it like this. Done. It's completely clean now. And you can reconnect without any issues, either here or in the Arduino IDE using the ST-Link. As you can see, a broken bootloader or a bad code is completely gone. By the way, leave a comment if you want to learn how to flash a new bootloader required for the USB. Now, in the Arduino IDE, let's check the settings. Compile and see what happened. Nice, it's working now. Next, the USB test after flashing a new bootloader. Settings. Switch it on from ST-Link to bootloader. And this works too. Now I can compile and upload it over the USB like nothing ever happened. Here's a quick hardware test using a circuit I built. Each command just changed the frequency and the duty cycle. Perfect. Simple solution, right? But do you know why this problem happens? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like. See you next time!